It's just dark in there. We're having lots of rain. It's been raining all day. I think it was raining last night. Hostas buried back in there. The roses are sort of resting. All of my hostas will get a division next spring. They've grown, they're too big. They should have been cut back this year. Back in there. A few days ago I took one out of the ring back there. I had moved it to that position a couple of years ago, and it's kind of been in the way since. I need a stepping way for trimming out the bushes, so that hosta was in the way, and I moved it over to under. I cut it in half and moved the two pieces to under the trellis there, and then I put 3 over there. I know it's kind of the wrong time of year to do this, but I don't follow the rules, do I?